Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christian with PerfectStockAlert.com. Today is Wednesday, April the 7th, 2010. The market sold off today, and I believe that is just something you're going to start to see more and more of. So if today's sell-off bothered you in any way, shape, or form, or cost you money, you're probably on the wrong side of the trade. Today's activity actually made me money, so I'm not that concerned with it. And I look for more selling in the future, and I'm about to show you why. Yesterday, we discussed the extreme overbought condition that is signaled by the RSI currently in the Dow Jones Industrial Average. We also showed you how it signals the extreme oversold, and today we're going over the NASDAQ. So let's look at this chart right quick. This top line we see right here, it is 70. At that point, 70 or higher, the market, based on the RSI indicator, is extremely overbought. This line here is 30. At that line or lower, you are extremely oversold. Okay, this doesn't come up very often, doesn't show these points very often. This is a 3-year chart, and it's only happened 3 times here, so that gives you an idea of how rare it is. But when it does signal extremely overbought or extremely oversold, it's telling you to look for a major trend reversal. And that is basically gives you the opportunity to get in and make big money on the next big move coming up. I mean, as traders, you're not so interested in what's going on today as you are what's coming up tomorrow. You got to be looking ahead. Let's have a quick look at this. The RSI indicator hit 70 here, and then at the same just before the peak. Okay, the peak was right here. This was indicated prior to the peak, but in any event, this told you the truth. This was a fake. So if you were thinking, oh, breakout, bye, you got killed, and then you killed some more. So you want to pay attention to this, and you'll notice the lows, the low points for that RSI indicator were successfully lower as well. Okay, showing that downtrend. All right. Now she finally bottomed. All right, you got your big oversold condition right there, and you need to start looking for the shift in the trend. Okay, you need to start looking for the long play. You'll notice at the same time the lows started trending higher. Okay, moving to the upside. At the same time, price continued lower. All right, this was wrong. This was wrong. This was right. This was right. And anyone who bought into that made a bunch of money on the upside there. Okay, now you're trending higher still, and on the NASDAQ 3-year chart, overbought, overbought, overbought. The signals are all there, and at the same time, let's look at those low points. There they are. Same time, this is moving higher. Like I said before, this was wrong when it moved higher here. This was wrong when it moved lower, and this is wrong when it's moving higher here. Okay? Every condition is there. Looking at the technicals, you have to be a bear here. And I am, and so today's downside activity, though it may, still, the market can still fight it, the end result will be a big move to the downside, and I'll make a killing on it. But, that's the benefit of watching the charts. If you're not a full access member and you want to be one, go to the website, sign up, pay the $145 for the whole year, and you'll have access to my portfolio. You'll know what I'm buying, what I'm selling, my entry point, my exit point, my stop loss limit. You'll know everything you need to know to basically do exactly what I do if you wanted to, or just to follow and see what I do. There's a lot of good information in there. You also have access to our small cap alerts. It's another good benefit to it. Regardless of what you do, please refer a friend. God bless and enjoy your evening.